Multevo's Local Roads Turnkey Solution is an award-winning and all-encompassing fix-it-first-time service provision for potholes, defects, patch repairs and carriageway surfacing. Our solution is proven to reduce repair costs and increase asset lifespan, while saving carbon, easing disruption and increasing road user satisfaction. The process begins with Multevo deploying the latest AI innovation and cutting-edge scanning systems to gain a strong understanding of defect deterioration. From this, we identify the right treatment at the right time through our suite of innovative treatments. We take into consideration the defect dimensions and depth, whilst also ensuring productivity is increased and carbon emissions are reduced. Now, let's dive into our suite of self-delivered treatments. Recycled rubber mastic repairs is a zero-waste permanent repair solution. This process transforms end-of-life tyres into not only a cost-effective repair, but a low-carbon repair too. Seamless thermal repairs reheats failed asphalt, minimising the amount of new material needed by restoring the condition of the road surface. Our Multevo method patch repair is a market-leading method for permanent patch repairs, accurately cutting out defected areas to productively reinstate a sound and smooth surface. For larger schemes, our in-house planer and machine layer teams can efficiently undertake surfacing works according to your requirements without incurring mobilisation fees. Our exclusive world-first net zero in situ patch repair process uses a road recycling planer to rejuvenate failed road surfaces to produce a long-lasting repair without disruption and with zero waste. Throughout the scheme, our client support function team will provide program updates to monitor budget, productivity and quality. Once treatments are identified, we'll optimise your program of works to reduce travel time and maximise efficiencies. All works are recorded digitally, in real time via the Multevo app, and we conduct in-house audits on health, safety, quality and environment. This means you'll get a transparent view of our service, empowering you to make data-informed decisions on how to better your network. We're proud to be offering a service that's become industry recognised, taking home 2 awards in 2024. At Multevo, we deliver differently, and our customers are realising the benefits of our unique service offering. Working with Shropshire Council, we have helped to save £1.4 million per year whilst fixing 90% of the network permanently at the first time of asking. This has led to a massive reduction in the overall backlog, whilst benefiting residents and road users through decreased disruption. This increased satisfaction by 25% according to the latest National Highway and Transport Public Satisfaction Survey. If you value innovation and are looking to deliver differently, please get in touch with the Multevo team today.